Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am back with a new video. In today's video I'll let you guys know the ways to make a private match in Counter-Strike 2. To make a private match in Counter-Strike 2, you could follow these steps. To get the most out of private matchmaking option in Counter-Strike 2, consider organizing mini tournament or themed game night. Such activity adds an extra layer of excitement to Counter-Strike by private competitive matches, enhancing the overall experiences as well. To access and utilize Counter-Strike's private matchmaking feature, you need to include details of Counter-Strike or CS2 private matchmaking guide and strategies for hosting successful matches as well. So what you have to do is, first of all, you want to launch the Counter-Strike 2 and start from the main menu. Now navigate to the Play tab and select Matchmaking. There you'll find the option for private matchmaking if this option is grayed out, and you may need to engage in more casual matches to unlock it as well. So you want to create the Counter-Strike 2 customized lobbies in a simple process. So from the private matchmaking menu, you want to go to the open the Steam overlay using Shift plus tab. After which you want to invite friends from your Steam friend list directly into your lobby. Alternatively, you need to use a lobby code from a direct connection. Either share your own or enter one provided by a friend. Now set the lobby status to open party to allow friends to join freely or close to manually invite each player. So then you could go ahead and customize your Counter-Strike 2 match, and this is the way you could go ahead and make a private match in Counter-Strike. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.